Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can search for a player in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To search for a player in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale game on your device. Once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken to the home page, which is the battlefield page by default. Now tap on clan option, which is at the right side of the battle page. It will take you to the clan menu. Search for the member within the clan by tapping on your clan name at the top section, or else tap on any clan, then you will be able to see the players that are within it. From here, you can simply tap on any player and you will be able to view their profile. This will also show all of their achievements and their stats. You can tap on the user ID and click on copy tag so that you will be able to use it later to find the players. This is how you can search for a player in Clash Royale quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.